Hello class. In last video we have seen the introduction of integration, function, meaning and geometric meaning of a integration and double integration. Okay. So in that in double integration we want to find a double integral over a rectangle because any region can be identically we can fit into the rectangle. Means if we cut that region into a small pieces along x axis and along y axis, म्हणजे काय एखाद्या रिजनचे जर आपण तुकडे केले the what we get a small pieces of rectangle. Okay, so if we find a double integral over a rectangle, then it can be easy to find the any double integral over any shape. Okay, so or any region. So this is the idea behind this. So here we are going to find a double integral over a rectangle. So what is the rectangle in mathematical way? Okay, we are dealing with the double integral. Means we want initially we want two variables, means function is depend on a two variable, that is x and y. If we take x and y, then our definition of a rectangle in a variable means in a double integral, or a definition of a rectangle, mathematical definition is, look at here, let r is equal to, means interval AB cross interval CD. Okay, where this interval is along x axis, this interval is along y axis, then what we can say, that is that is x is equal to a, x is equal to b, y is equal to c, y is equal to d. If we draw this graph, what we get x is equal to a, x is equal to b, suppose here y is equal to c, and this one is y is equal to d. Means what we get here, this rectangular region, so this is my region R. Okay, so this is the rectangle. So in this rectangle we have infinite point, means this point is, suppose we take a point P which has coordinates x and y, means there are infinite point this rectangle. So we in set notation we can denote as rectangle R is equal to AB cross CD interval, and this is equal to, this set is collection of the points x comma y such that a is less than equal to x less than equal to a. This meaning means x lies between a and b, and c less than equal to y less than equal to d, means y जो y हा सी डी मधला आहे. ठीक आहे. So R is a rectangle. So this is the mathematical definition of a rectangle. Okay, so in general we can denote as in interval form AB cross CD, and in set form we can show, or we can write the rectangle R is like this. Okay, so this is about the rectangle. Now we are going to discuss about a double integral over a rectangle R. If we zoom this rectangle, then what we get here, suppose this is a to b and this one okay, this length, okay, here is, okay, and this c to d, and here somewhere is a to b. Okay, means a b c like this, cd is over here, means this is a Cartesian product of this interval with this interval. So we get infinite points within this. Okay, if we cut line AB or this interval into a small pieces, suppose we take a small pieces, and if we cut like this, okay, so means we have to partition this interval AB into a small pieces vertically, and if we take horizontally, मी सीडीचे पण पार्टिशन घेतले. So what we get here, we get a small rectangle, रेक्टँगल. ओके, सो दिस इज माय वॉट एव्हर, जे काय त्यानंतर बघूया आपण. आता बघा आयडिया आहे थोडीशी. लेट P1 is the partition, let P1 is the partition where x0 is equal to A, x1, x2 and so on, xn is equal to B. This is my partition of the interval A to B, and P2 is the partition, means y0 is equal to C, y1, y2 and so on, yn is equal to D, is the partition of close interval C to D. Okay, then if we take partition P is equal to product P1 cross P2, product P1 cross P2 is equal to what? Is equal to collection of the points xi, yj such that xi, yj actually okay, collection B1 is a partition where 1 is less than equal to I less than equal to n and 1 is less than equal to j less than equal to t. What we have taken in P1 n, and here we can change, means no need to be same but we can partition. त्याची जर सपोज 8 पार्टिशन घेतली त्याची आपण 4 ही घेऊ शकतो. सो n and t should be different, means maybe like same but we can take a different also. Okay, so here I lies from 1 to n, j lies from 1 to t. Okay, so this is about the partition P. Okay, so this P is equal to P1 cross P2 is called the partition of rectangle, is called the partition of rectangle R is equal to AB cross CD. Okay, so this is the partition of a rectangle. Okay, if we partition, what we get here, partition केल्यानंतर आपल्याला एक small pieces भेटतो. So this is, we can say Rij, means rectangle Ij. Okay, this is Rij, means we can partition rectangle R into small subrectangles, we can say Rij. So what is Rij? Rij is, means बघा आता A च्या अलॉंग पार्टिशन्स घेतलेले आहेत आपण, ए बीच्या xi मायनस 1 टू xi, त्याला I म्हटलं सपोज, क्रॉस yj मायनस 1 टू yj. ठीक आहे, आता याची एक स्मॉल फिगर बघा, means here Rij, this distance is, suppose here xi minus 1 xi and this vertical distance is yj minus 1 yj. देन मग हा त्याचा ह्याचा क्रॉस प्रॉडक्ट, ह्या इंटरवलचा क्रॉस प्रॉडक्ट या इंटरवलची झाल्यानंतर मला हा एरिया भेटतो. सो दिस इज माय Rij. सो Rij a small sub rectangle. Okay, isn't it? So here what we have learned, so partition of a rectangle. Okay, isn't it? So in the set form we can write the collection of the points x comma y such that x lies between xi minus 1 less than equal to x less than equal to xi and y lies between yj minus 1 less than equal to y less than equal to yj. So this is the collection, this is the rectangle Rij. Okay, so now note, let R be a rectangle AB cross CD, then its area is this side into this side, because this is horizontal side, this is vertical side. So length of this interval is B minus A into D minus C. So this is my formula. Okay, similarly area of a subrectangle, area of subrectangle Rij is equal to xi minus 1 into yj minus yj minus 1. Okay, if we deal about integration, then there is a great role of a Riemann integration. Without Riemann we can find the integral. Okay, so this is the method given by the Riemann. Okay, so we can say as a Riemann integration. In that integration, what we have found, we have found in SYBSC class, if we there was a single variable integral. In that integral, what we have found, Riemann upper sum, Riemann lower sum. Okay, so how do we find that? Okay, do you have any idea about this? Okay, already you have learned that, but just here we are going to revise, and here we are going to see a double integral. So what is the role of Riemann integration in double integral? Here we are going to discuss. Okay, so already we have seen a function f from rectangle R to AB cross CD to R be a scalar valued function, be a bounded, this is the main condition, bounded function of two variables, bounded function of two variables. Okay, that is f of x comma y defined on a rectangle, defined on rectangle R. Okay, rectangle R is partition, rectangle R is partition in P is equal to P1 cross P2, where P1 and P2 are the respectively partitions along AB. P1 is the partition of AB and P2 is the partition of CD. Already we have seen, we have discussed at above. Okay, so if we take a P is the partition P1 cross P2, so what it gives a small subrectangles, means this partition P is, this P partitions rectangle R into subrectangle Rij, isn't it? Rij, where Rij is equal to what? Xi minus 1 to Xi, this interval, cross Yj minus 1 to Yj, where I from 1 to and so on n and j from 1 to and so on t. So हा Rij ह्या R चे सब रेक्टँगल आहे, ते मागच्या डायग्राम मध्ये मी तुम्हाला क्लिअर केलेला आहे. ठीक आहे, सो प्रत्येक Rij रेक्टँगल्स मिळतील. तुम्ही जर आय च्या व्हॅल्यू व्हॅरी केल्या, जे चे व्हॅल्यू व्हॅरी केल्या, तर जेवढे रेक्टँगल तुम्हाला मिळतील तेवढे टोटल एंटी रेक्टँगल सब रेक्टँगल्स तुम्हाला तिथे मिळतील. ओके, सो आता काय आहे, जर ह्या रेक्टँगल वरती ओके, इफ वी ड्रॉ अ डायग्राम ऑफ अ rectangle R and this small pieces, this partition, okay, into a small pieces. So what we get here, suppose this is my Rij, one Rij. Okay, so this is my xi minus 1 to xi and this is yj minus 1 to yj. So this is Rij. Okay, आता जर याच्यावरती मी फंक्शन घेतलं आहे, फंक्शन f फ्रॉम दिस होल रेक्टँगल टू R, मीन्स लुक ॲट हिअर, खालचा जो तुमचा बेस आहे तो 2 डायमेन्शनल आहे, मीन्स रेक्टँगल R इज देअर. if we put every point of this Rij in f of xy, I'll get images, its images above, means along a z axis, isn't it? So here what we get, if we plot, if we draw a image set above, then there is some means a peak point, like डोंगरासारखं दिसेल, कुठे थोडं जास्त असेल, कुठे थोडं कमी असेल, like this. ओके, म्हणजे ग्राफ, वी कॅन ड्रॉ अ ग्राफ. तो ग्राफ हा खालच्या बाजूने जर आपण बघितला तर ते कसं वरती कवर झाल्यासारखं वाटेल, कवर मंडप टाकल्यासारखं वाटेल. मग तिथे असं होईल की ते सगळंच एकसारखं असेल असं नाही आहे. तिथे कुठेतरी चढ उतार असेल, कोणाची हाईट जास्त येईल, कोणाची हाईट कमी येईल. जर मी इथला एक पॉईंट टाकला त्यासाठी काहीतरी वरती वेगळं येईल, इथे एखादा पॉईंट टाकला त्यासाठी काहीतरी वेगळं येईल. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल जर मी काढून दाखवलं, हा एक पॉईंट ठेवला इथे, त्याची इमेज मी मध्ये टाकल्यानंतर सपोज इथं आलं, आणि इथला एक पॉईंट टाकल्यानंतर त्याची इमेज मी टाकला तर तो इथं आला. आणि जर मी आता हा जोडत गेलो, सपोज दिस, ओके, सो दिस इज माय, सपोज दिस इज माय इमेज सेट. ओके, सो हिअर जर तो खालच्या बाजूने बघितला, हा आता खाली आहे पॉईंट आणि हा इथं वरती इंटरवलसाठी. सो काय होतं रिमान इंटिग्रेशनमध्ये, सो MIG इज इक्वल टू इन्फिमम ऑफ f of xy over the rectangle Rij, and capital MIG is the supremum of, supremum म्हणजे जिथे मोठा पॉईंट येईल, जिथे हायेस्ट व्हॅल्यू येईल फंक्शनचं पॉईंट टाकल्यानंतर RIJ मधला, दॅट इज दॅट पॉईंट. MIG is supremum, small MIJ is infimum. Okay, we know the delta RIJ is area of a rectangle, area of a rectangle Rij, and which is given by xi minus xi minus 1 into yj minus 1. So this is the formula of rectangle. Then what is lower Riemann sum? LPF. In S5 BSc already we have seen. So here दोन आहेत ह्या इंटरवल विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ह्या इंटरवल, त्यामुळे दोन समेशन. हिअर मी आधी y साठी घेतो j फ्रॉम 1 to t, I फ्रॉम 1 to n, इन्फिमम MIJ इंटू डेल्टा RIJ, म्हणजे उंची आणि त्याचा खालचा एरिया, हा एरिया जो डेल्टा RIJचा एरिया इंटू उंची, तो हॉलो स्पेस जो येईल दॅट इज द वॉल्यूम, म्हणजे तो लोअर रिमान सम. सिमिलरली अप्पर रिमान सम UPF इज समेशन I फ्रॉम 1 to n, समेशन j फ्रॉम 1 to t, capital MIJ into delta RIJ. If we put the value of delta RIJ here, we'll get the formula of this. So no need to, if here delta Rij is here, if we put this we get lower Riemann. Here UPF is upper Riemann sum, is upper Riemann sum, and LPF is lower Riemann sum of a function f on a rectangle R. Okay, so here in next video we'll see the next part.